Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome you all to Sufa classes. Here I am Nurjahan Khan, English teacher, Standard 4th. Yesterday we have learned the lesson number 29, Androcles and the Lion. We have done reading. Now today I am going to explain you the lesson. The name of the lesson is Androcles and the Lion. Now let us see the first paragraph. Long, long ago, there lived a kind, gentle, and courteous man called Androcles. But he had a very cruel master. बहुत पुरानी बात है. Long, long ago, there lived a kind. Kind means not rude. He was humble, gentle, and courteous. दयालु, विनम्र, या हम हिंदी में भला इंसान कह सकते. Called Androcles. His name was Androcles. But what was Androcles? Androcles was a slave. Slave means gulam. But he had a very cruel master. He has to work under a very cruel master. Master means sir नहीं. Master means उसका मालिक. In those days, kings, nobles and other wealthy men used poor people as their slaves. In those days means in olden days. Kings, you know kings? Yes. Nobles, persons having high position in society. In those days, nobles were having high position in societies. They were respected by everyone. Those people were called as nobles. And other wealthy men used poor people as their slaves. ये सब लोग poor people को slaves की तरह यूज़ करते थे. Androcles was also a slave. The slaves were forced to work for their masters. उनसे ज़बरदस्ती काम लिया जाता था. They were forced. Force means ज़बरदस्ती काम लेना. Forced to work for their master. They had to do what their masters told them. They have to do all the work whatever they are asked by their masters. उनके मालिक जो भी उन्हें काम कहते थे उन्हें करना होता था. They had no freedom, no right. They don't have any freedom. They could not have right to purchase anything. They could not eat anything without the permission of their masters. So they did not have any freedom and no rights. They did not have any right. कोई हक नहीं था किसी बात का. ऊंची आवाज़ में बात नहीं कर सकते थे, अपनी मर्ज़ी नहीं चला सकते थे. उन्हें किसी बात का कोई हक नहीं था. Even when they were unhappy with their masters, they could not leave him. In the second line, there is mentioned cruel masters. कितना भी अगर जालिम मास्टर हो, they could not leave him. वो उसे छोड़कर नहीं जा सकते थे. They have to work for them. Work for him. They were bound by law. ऐसा कायदा था जिससे वो उन्हें छोड़कर नहीं जा सकते थे. अगर वो अपने मास्टर को छोड़कर गए तो उनके अगेंस्ट कार्रवाई की जाती थी. They were bound by law to obey their master, however wicked he might be. कितना भी जालिम क्यों ना हो, स्लेव को कोई हक नहीं था उसे छोड़ के, उसके मालिक को छोड़ के जाने का. उसे सारी उम्र उसकी सेवा करनी होती थी. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, लेट अस सी सेकंड पैराग्राफ. Second paragraph. Androcles did not like his wicked master. His master starved his slaves and often whipped them. Androcles felt that even death was better than serving such a master. Androcles did not like his wicked master. Very easy sentence. He did not like his master at all because he was cruel. His master starved his slaves and often whipped them. Starve means bhuka rakhna. He did not give them to eat and make them work and often whipped them. Whip is a hunter, or in Hindi we call it chabuk or koda. It was used to beat animals or to punish people. So he did not give them to eat and made them work, and also used to badly beat them with whip. Androcles felt that even death was better than serving such a master. So no one will be happy if you treat someone like this. When we are getting treated like this, what will you feel? Do you feel happy? No. Such a bad thing, making people starve, bhuka rakhna, काम करवाना. So no one will be happy. So Androcles felt that even death was better than serving such a master. ऐसे मालिक के साथ काम करने से अच्छा है, बेहतर मौत है, ऐसा उसे लगता था. या फिर ऐसा कह सकते, वो इस तरह के मालिक के साथ काम करने से अच्छा मरना पसंद करता था. We can say like this. He kept looking out for a good opportunity. वो एक अच्छे मौके की तलाश में था. At the first chance he got, he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. As he got the chance, he escaped. Escaped means भाग जाना. From the clutches, उसके चुंगल से निकल के, उसके clutches से निकलकर Androcles fled away. He escaped. भाग गया. Now, although Androcles had thus run away, he was not a coward. भले ही वो भाग गया हो, but he was not a coward. Coward means not brave, means बुज़दिल. He took shelter in a forest. He was brave, so he took shelter in forest. He hid himself in a forest. Forest में छुप गया. He was not afraid of wild beasts, जंगली wild animals. Wild beasts means जंगली जानवर that roamed the forest. He did not mind that he had no roof over his head. He was living in a jungle and he did not mind that he don't have any house. This means that roof over his head, had no roof over his head means he has no house. He was roaming in the forest like animals. So he did not mind it, means उसे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था. Why? Because he was free. He was happy that he was free as a bird to go wherever he wished. He was as free as a bird. Birds की तरह वो आज़ाद था कहीं पर भी उड़ने के लिए. Got it? One day, as he was wandering in the forest, he suddenly came face to face with a lion. एक दिन, one day, he was wandering, भटकना, in the forest. When Androcles was wandering in the forest, he suddenly came face to face, आमना सामना होना, face to face with a lion. उसका सामना lion से हुआ. His first reaction was to turn and flee. If you see a lion, what will you do? You will just run away. So his first reaction was to turn and flee. Flee means भाग जाना. But then he saw that the lion had not moved on seeing him. What did he see? He saw that lion did not move on seeing him. It neither growled nor roared. You know, the lion roars, but what happened? After seeing Androcles, The lion did not growl at all or not roared. In fact, दरअसल it looked at him piteously as if it was in great pain. But what happened? Actually, there was a thorn in his paw, so it was paining. So the lion was looking piteously, दया की भावना से, as it was in great pain, इस तरह देख रहा था जैसे उसे बहुत तकलीफ हो रही हो. Androcles paused. He stopped. Androcles stopped. Then he moved very cautiously towards the lion step by step. Cautiously means सावधानी से. If you see a lion or a dog, will you freely roam over? No. You will move very cautiously. If you find a lion or a dog before you, so what will you do? You will move very cautiously. So Androcles moved towards the lion step by step. There was a question in his mind, will the lion eat me? So he moved very slowly, step by step. Step means qadam. The lion moaned and whimpered. The lion moaned and whimpered. करहाना तकलीफ से. Moan means तकलीफ से करहाना. The lion was moaning, and what did he say? From his eyes, please help me. Its eyes seems to saying that, please help me. When Androcles drew near means नज़दीक पहुँचना. The lion lowered his head, सर नीचे किया, and began to lick its paw. As you lick the lollipop, आप लॉलीपॉप कैसे खाते हो, उसी तरह वो अपने पैर को चाटने लगा, पंजे को. You can see in the picture. Then Androcles saw the lion's paw was wounded. जख्मी था उसका पंजा. Sore, सूजा हुआ. Sore and swollen, एकदम लाल हो जाती ना जख्म, और swollen means सूज जाना. Okay. Let us see next paragraph. On a closer look, Androcles noticed that a big thorn had pierced one of the lion's toes. So this is the cause of the lion's distress, thought Androcles. Very easy. On a closer look, नज़दीक से देखने पर, Androcles noticed, उसे पता चला, that a big thorn, बड़ा सा कांटा, had pierced one of the lion's toes. उसके एक अंगूठे में या उंगली कह सकते. There was a big thorn. Pierce means चुभा हुआ. So this was the cause of lion's distress, thought Androcles. Androcles ने क्या सोचा कि ये वजह है lion की परेशानी की. Very easy it was. Now read page number 69 and 70 and try to translate this or make it easy in English. Okay. This is your homework to read page number 69 and 70 and make it easy to understand by using your own words. You can also translate it in Hindi also.